we continue through the rest of this morning, we're expecting to see more scenes like this. Of course, the sun coming up and making things a little bit more visible out there, but still dark and early out there before our sun does come on. But it's not going to be piercing through a whole lot of, it's going to be piercing through a lot of cloud cover. So overall dark day, a little bit brighter because of that snow coming on down. Here's a live look downtown Providence right now. Superman building. You know, it's actually tough to replicate this in terms of visibility. Around a quarter of a mile right now in downtown Providence. So it's essentially just as low visibility as our densest fog that we can get here locally. 32 degrees our current temperature at TF Green. North-northeast wind at 35 miles per hour. Sustained, gusting to 55. Visibility down to 0. Wind chill at 17 degrees. Some of our snowfall reports coming in from Massachusetts, New Bedford. We've actually had 2 reports this morning of 10 inches, 6.3 in Fall River, Plymouth 4.5, Sturbridge at 4. Some of our highest totals in Rhode Island thus far, down towards the Charlestown area, already a foot being reported there. 9 inches in Richmond, West Warwick at 7, Providence 5.5, and some of these are a little bit old. So of course we'll see these numbers go on up throughout the rest of today. Currently seeing blizzard conditions across the entirety of southern New England, aside from the Vineyard and Block Island, where that visibility is a little bit greater than that quarter of a mile. Jason talking more about that as we continue here throughout the rest of this morning. So the chance of snow continuously elevated 90 to 100% even through the mid-afternoon. The heavy snow rates 2 to 4 inches throughout the rest of this morning, 18 to 24 plus by tonight. Strong gusty winds 50 to 70 miles per hour already verifying, and of course that will lead to numerous power outages as we're seeing currently in southeast Massachusetts. Travel impacts, of course, nearly impossible, restricted to emergencies only. Deeper snow bands now pushing on through the Providence, New Bedford, and Newport areas. A little bit lighter down there towards the block and most certainly out towards the Mass Pike, where the snow is a little bit fluffier. Even some thunder snow further offshore. If you do have any videos of that, we'd love to see some of that. This bomb cyclone now pushing off to the east, officially a bomb cyclone, because we have seen that pressure drop of 24 millibars in 24 hours as this continues to push off to the east, expected to strengthen even through the middle of today. So the snow heavy at times as we continue essentially all of the late morning. By the afternoon, you can see some of the heaviest bands pivoting off to the east. 3 p.m. still moderate to even at times still heavy snowfall expected here throughout the region. Look at our temperatures as well. Providence down to 27, so we're starting off with that wet snow, ending a little bit fluffier as temperatures fall into the 20s. Some blowing and drifting through the overnight as winds remain breezy around 30, 40 miles per hour. Heading for tomorrow, we do see some sunshine. Actually, another weather maker, a brief bout of some minor snowfall and some rain mixing at the coastline. That's for our Wednesday. As we can see, that really doesn't last a whole lot, though, for our Wednesday afternoon. 18 to 24 inches this go around, locally higher amounts possible. We did extend this further back towards the westerly area. We did have a report from New London at 14 inches already. So more of this coming. I would say we've roughly seen between 6 and 12 inches through the majority of the region. Some spots a little bit higher down to the south. Now peak wind gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour for the majority of the region. Head down to the coast, though, 60 to 70, where we're seeing more of these power outages for the outer Cape, 70 plus. And of course, that is essentially hurricane force, as we are seeing with this very, very potent coastal storm. Light rain and snow on Wednesday, 37 degrees for a high. We're at 38 on Thursday. Another bout of winter mix expected Friday. Temperatures warming through the weekend. Up in the 40s we go. Some chances of rain and snow heading for next week.